Here's a little lesson on how to customize your quick access toolbar. When you pull down on this menu, there's a menu here for changing the quick access toolbar. This menu over here lets you choose a bunch of things. You're going to choose more commands. When you do that, it's going to show you this big dialog box here with all the options. The one you want is all commands. When you do that, you're able to configure a quick access toolbar to look like what I'm showing you here. My favorite toolbar item is probably this one over here, where you're able to pick shapes. So you can pick a square, you could pick a text box, you can have a circle. So if I just quickly put this blue text box in, I can insert it very fast right there. If I want to insert another one, just to show you how I do that again, I just pick it again. Now you'll notice here that the fill color on this text box, on this box, it's actually a shape with where you could write text into it. So you could just write over here some text. And then another thing that I do is I have this tool for increasing font size. So if I want to increase the font size, I can just tap on it right there. Very convenient. Now if I want to change the color of this font to, let's say, make it red, that's over here, and you add that to that font color toolbar item, and you could change it. Over here where you have the shape fill, when you have that highlighted fill, highlighted, you can just click on it, and I just changed it to a white fill. Just to show you again, if I want to make that black, I just click on the black one. Now you can do this also with a text box. This is the tool for drawing a text box. You type your words in over here and format this text box the same way that I just showed you. You could format text the same way. If you want to make it larger, you just click on the font size in the toolbar, and then you could change the font color. So you have to go into your quick toolbar access customization tool. That's the one over here. You click again on more commands, and you click, instead of choosing from just popular commands, you want to choose from all commands. You want to choose from all commands, and there it is. So now you have all the commands listed over here. So let's say that I want to add a button for changing my font or font size. So I just scroll down on the all commands to font size, and I have a few choices. Let's say I want to add just this one, because I don't think I have that one. So now it added font. So it's going to let me choose now when it's going to create that button on my toolbar, and here it is for font. So if I have a font that I want to change, I could highlight, and now I have that font button right over here. Now I have this set up with lots of different things. I have borders that I can change. I have ways to change the fill color, ways to make the window, the current window fit maximized. I can insert a comment anywhere. I can zoom in using the toolbar, and I find that real helpful. I can also crop images, and that's a really useful feature. So let me go to an image here. I'll show you what I mean. If you want to crop this image, instead of having to go into picture tools and then find the crop tool, which is way over here, and you always forget this stuff. So instead of having to do that and have a couple of keystrokes or a few, you just click on this, and the crop tool is right here. So when I click on the crop tool right from there, it's going to now let me crop that image. So I can just change the size on it like that. So that's how the quick access toolbar works. Hope that was helpful.